How to manually disable a plugin in WordPress with cPanel. Do you need to deactivate all WordPress plugins, but you cannot access the WordPress admin area? During WordPress troubleshooting, it is better to deactivate all plugins and then reactivate them one by one. But what if you cannot access the WordPress admin area to deactivate the plugins? In this method, we will need to use the File Manager option in your WordPress hosting control panel. To log in into Administration panel, we will need to connect with a cPanel account. On the browser, enter your cPanel account. You can do that by going to your domain name /cPanel. Log in to your cPanel. Click on File Manager. Go to the path of your WordPress install. This is usually on public_HTML, but it can be a different path. Open folder wp-content. Here you will see the folder plugins. Open plugins folder. Here you will see all plugins. If you know the plugin that is causing the error, go with the mouse over that plugin. Right-click on that plugin. Click on Rename. Add a letter or a number after the name of the plugin. I will just put 2 after the name of this plugin. After you do that, go to the Administration panel site and refresh. If the site is working, then you fix the problem. But what if you still have problems? Let's go to the Plugins folder. Right-click on the Plugins folder. On the menu, click on Rename. Let's add 2 also. Now, let's go back to the WordPress admin panel. Now refresh the page. You see now I can log in on the site. So let's log in into the dashboard. Go with the mouse over Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. Do not worry about these errors. But now you deactivated all plugins on your site. Now to add back the plugins, go to the cPanel File Manager. Right-click the folder you just renamed. Click again on Rename. Delete the 2 figure. Perfect. Now let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Refresh the page. You will see now the full list of plugins. You will have to activate every plugin one by one. This way you will see exactly what plugin gets you the error. You see now an error. This is the plugin that was causing the error. Now activate all other plugins and your site should be fine. This is how you manually disable a plugin in WordPress with cPanel. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.